Hey, in this video, I will show you how to easily remove emojis from photos in seconds. Basically, what you want to do is open up any emoji photo. I've picked different ones from the images tab when I just type in picture with emoji. And what you want to do is go over to this website, anyerase.media.io, just like so. You don't have to download the app, just click on upload video or photo. Upload here, you upload your photo. So select this emoji, for example, click done. It will take a few seconds to process. Then you want to select the brush tool. Around 60 should be enough. And you want to carefully select just the emoji. And when you do that, you click on remove objects and that's it. You can also download it without a watermark, which might take some seconds. If you still have issues, let me know in the comment section down below. If the video helped you out, slap the like button. See you next one.